Welcome to the CarStar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like. Now we will introduce the new 2021 Renault Trafic facelift. In its Combi and SpaceClass versions, unveils a dynamic design with a more expressive front, a new rouge carmine shade and an optimized interior. Latest generation driving aids and the Renault Easy-linked multimedia system are now available. More powerful. The new DCI 150 engine completes the range of diesel engines in the new Renault Trafic Combi and SpaceClass. The model will continue to be offered exclusively with a 2.0-liter diesel engine with 3 power outputs: 110 horsepower and 150 horsepower and 170 horsepower. There's a base 6-speed manual gearbox plus a dual-clutch automatic for the more powerful models. All engine configurations meet Europe's latest Euro 60 fully emission standards. For the complete presentation of the new Renault Trafic Combi and SpaceClass, which will be commercialized from March 2021.